Breaking: Discord just rolled out advanced fingerprinting. Are you protected? VPNs alone won't save you. Discord doesn't just check your IP. They build a complete profile of your device. Changing IP with the same fingerprint is like putting on a mask but keeping the same outfit. The approach is called profile isolation. You create a separate browser environment for each Discord account, complete with unique fingerprints, dedicated proxy, and separate session data. Set up role-based access so team members can only modify profiles assigned to them. This prevents accidental changes that could compromise account safety. Clear old session data periodically while keeping important cookies. This mimics how real users naturally browse and prevents data buildup. You can finally sleep at night without worrying about waking up to a mass ban notification from Discord. Your accounts are actually safe. Take action today. The link to Multilogin is in the description.